dealership. Got my truck at Colin Chevrolet in Greenville. They have a fair selection. It's not huge, but when I was looking for trucks, every place I called around in Michigan just kept giving me around about how if they had diesel trucks, they'd sell them every day, blah blah blah. But no, I need to check out. When I came here, they actually had 3 or 4 in stock. So I don't know what. Maybe they'll have something else we can check out there today. They do have a very, very super nice carbon fiber 65 Corvette that I would love to have, but obviously I can't afford it. But it's a beautiful car. So here we are arriving at Colin Chevrolet. Like I said, they have a fairly decent selection. It's not the biggest car lot I've ever been to by far. But they do have a fair selection of new and used cars. I don't know, what's your guys' thoughts on the new little Eco diesels? And some little black Colorado there. Oh, we'll just do a drive around the parking lot afterward. Yeah, they have a beautiful black LTZ 2018. Pretty much exactly the same as my truck on the inside. Black leather. What I do find odd though is this truck's the exact same thing, and it's got 4x4 stickers, which my truck did not come with. I find that odd. Mine's the exact same model, everything. LTZ. It's a very good looking truck though. Just leaving the dealership, and guess they're saying it's an injector, so I guess we'll bring it back tomorrow, and hopefully they can get her fixed. I'm really kind of disappointed that brand new truck and injector and 15,000 miles, but I guess it is what it is. Just glad I haven't did no upgrades now, being said no, then it would have voided warranty, so I guess it's a plus that they haven't allowed you to do much of these trucks yet, I guess. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated on that. So here we are next morning, taking Duramax to dealership, see if we can get this injector thing figured out. I'm just kind of curious on, if anybody else had any problems with the 2017 out there. I mean, other than, today it seems to be running better, but I mean, that's what they said yesterday, is to drop it off because they thought it was for sure going to be an injector. So here we are. We're going to drop it off, and then we'll go from there and keep you guys posted on what ends up happening, so you guys will know whether these are issues that they have out there. Another thing here is kind of crazy is, I'll probably do a video on it. They advertise they have the cheapest tires around. They say dare to compare, and they give you all the numbers to all the big stores. So something else we'll be making a video on. Let's see if it's true. Because obviously I gotta get new tires for this truck, so checking that out. Oh, Modern Muscle. I didn't get the injector done today, but Ed Colin did give us a brand new half ton to take home, which is pretty nice, I guess, just for the inconvenience. Instead of putting you in a crappy car, give me a truck with 25 miles on it. So, yeah, pretty cool. I guess we'll probably do a little review on this while we have it for the day. So to have my truck done by tomorrow is what they're figuring. So I'll check back in then. like I said yesterday, we'd do a quick little review of the truck. It got dark, so I couldn't get it yesterday. But silver, half-ton, 4x4, crew cab. So, pretty decent truck. I mean, more of a stripped down model. Which even stripped down models are pretty loaded. I mean, I do like the half-ton grills. I think them are pretty sharp. I like the I like them when they're more painted the white, same as like my truck. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty nice. I have noticed that it's kind of funny that it don't. Let's see, what is this got? This is just a V6 truck, silver metallic, jet black. That's a LT double cab. So, and it's, you know, it says 19 miles a gallon, so it's rated for 22 highway, which I've had it up to 23.1, which, you know, is not super impressive to me, being that I've had my Duramax up to 28, but you know, I don't know, it's still just a nice truck to get free instead of just getting some beat up, worn out piece of crap for your loaner vehicle. So, you know, at least it's a brand new truck, so you know, it makes you feel a little better about, I mean, the situation that obviously you don't feel good about anyways, having a brand new, you know, $60-something thousand truck that, you know, is broke down. So yeah, but then some other features in this truck is I noticed they're different than mine. It only has like 2 buttons basically, you know, just traction control and the lights, where mine has 4 there. You know, other than that, you know, the radio looks kind of pretty much similar, same. I did notice this little cubby hole here up in the front left there. Yeah, that's kind of weird, you know. To me it's kind of weird. As you can see, it doesn't have as many ports down there for charging, you know, or in the center console either. Center console is, you know, it's definitely just kind of 2, which is not very many. And then another thing I noticed this truck is kind of weird is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but in the hood I got little dents on both sides there that, I mean, it's just filthy. This is there, collects water, dirt, so something I don't know if I'd be a fan of, you know, as far as that on the half-ton models. But I mean, other than that, I mean, as far as running, driving, it's been a good truck. Keeps going like to a V4 mode, which I don't know if you'll see that. See V4, and as soon as you give it gas, it goes to the V6. So that's kind of, I'm sure it's to save mileage, but like I said, you know, I put 172 miles on it, and best I've got out of this truck so far is 23.1. And with my Duramax, I've, you know, averaged a lot higher than that, so I'm not sure exactly what the average is. I think it's like 26 or 27 something. So, yeah, I don't know. What's your guys' thoughts on that? You know, I mean, you can buy a Duramax that can average the same miles plus tow when you need to. It's kind of a bargain, I think. So, I guess just leave your comments below. Thanks. Now that we got this truck washed, now we'll be heading, stop, put some gas in it, get her all topped off for them, which, I mean, like I said, appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, this is after 242 miles, you know, plus I got to 24.4, which So I will, we'll check my mileage as soon as we get into the Duramax, or we'll check it out. And then the thing is, Duramax, I haven't seen Duramax since I had 06 Duramax, which is, what everybody seems to call them. If you guys got any other ideas what, you should call it Duramax, I'd like to hear that, something maybe new. But, okay, well, we'll see you at the dealership. So just getting the Duramax back. Seems to be all good. Sure missed this truck compared to that half ton, that's for sure. Not that that's not a nice truck, it's just not this truck. But I did want to show you guys the beautiful black Duramax that they have here. It's a really good looking truck. And then it's got the Z71 badges on it, which we have now placed on here, which is what the video was before. They were going to be doing about the badging and all that. So, because mine did have the just plain 2500 like that. Exact same spec as that truck, but I wanted the Z71 badges, I think, to make the truck look a million times better. And that was going to be, one of my first things to upgrade on the truck cosmetically to make it look better. I actually did call Diesel Tuners today, and, they say there's just nothing yet you can do these trucks. But after having this issue at 15,000 miles, I don't think that we'll be too crazy about doing much until we figure out how reliable this truck. And it's just surprisingly that this truck, I've never had one that was unreliable. All of them have been great. Like I said, I bought a brand new 06, got 600 and some thousand. Got a 2011 that's probably close to 300,000. So yeah, really, Duramaxes are just been, great to me. This will be the first one that's actually had, because this truck's actually had a couple recalls already and everything else. So hopefully we don't end up having a ton more problems with it.